Why do people come to a trade fair? Well, it's to see, to feel, to interact. We're here at the stand of Mackie in Hall 17, C20. Tell us a little bit about the background of your company and this colossus that we see behind us here.
Okay, Mackie is a family company, Italian family company that since the last 60 years has always been producing blown film lines. And we are a company dedicated to sustainable products. So here we are showing a 5-layer POD line dedicated to the production of recycled materials. We have a partnership with Dow. The motto of our partnership with Dow is recycled meets recyclable. We are, for the first time, we are here at the show running a line with up to 50% of recycled material. So this is something new, okay. The final product is what you can see here. It's stand-up pouches, which are typical for the lamination market and industrial packaging. And we are very, very happy to be here again because, we were missing this type of shows. This is, of course, the K. It's the best show. We really love here. We really love to see a lot of good friends. It has been 3 tough years, but finally we are back.
Now, 3 tough years on a social level, but business-wise, it's been quite good for plastics. You've made quite an investment in your presence here at the K. Does that investment pay out over time?
Okay. 2020 has been a tough year for everybody. 2021 has been an incredible year for everybody because there has been a huge rebound in the market. As you said correctly, the necessity of packaging is there. The point is to have sustainable packaging. So we have invested a lot of money in introducing a new technology here to be capable of running sustainable products because this is the future. It's not only the future, actually it's the present because the European regulations, but not only the European, all the regulations all over the world requires a specific products with a specific amount of recycled materials. We have invested in the last 2 years in almost 10% of our revenues in R&D. We have introduced a lot of new technical features on the line, starting from the extruders, the die, which is the hot part of the line, and that's why we are here capable of running on this line up to 1,000 kilos an hour, which is really, really a nice goal.
Yeah, and it makes a lot of noise. I hope the audio picks that up, but also our voices. Matteo Simola, thank you very much for speaking with us, and we have to be running. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, running along here, we're going to go through this way because this walkway is absolutely packed with people. We're going to try and cut through this stand here. If you guys can fit through in between the columns here. Here's Reifenhauser. They're actually based right next door here in Germany in Rosdorf. Just right down the road, or actually up the river from us in Düsseldorf. And we're actually heading to SML. They're a company based out of Austria, specialize in film coatings, especially rolls of elastic for packaging. We're going to try and get a word with... Hi, yes, with the CEO in person, Ben Giese from KTV.
Yes.
Explain to us a little bit about what your company is actually focusing on here at the show,
Yes.
especially the machinery you brought with.
Well, we have a stretch film line here, a very big one, as you can see, 4.5 meter wide. It has a capacity of over 3 tons per hour to produce first-class stretch film. And one unique feature is that we use 30% post-consumer recycled material in this film here. We can smell it a little bit. You won't be able to see it on TV.
I can smell it. You can take his word for it.
It's not fake. It's really a post-consumer material that we incorporate. And 30% is about the target of the European Union by the year 2030. And this target is already fulfilled now with this machine.
So Do you think these goals to be reached as mandated by government within the EU, do you find those as being beneficial, or do you find those as being somewhat too easy to reach for industry? Do you think the industry could do it alone without the government intervention?
I think government intervention is necessary here because technologically we can do it, but where do we get the recycled material? And people have to collect, have to sort, have to wash the material, recycle, and then the melt stream, even the capability of the film producing machine is there. Where is the feedstock, the recycling material? And this needs to be pushed also by governments and by the European Union. So I think the movement is a good one and it goes in the right direction because we have no other choice. We have to be more circular in the future.
How do you feel about being back at K after the past couple of years? I don't need to make a whole theme out of it. How do you feel being back?
We didn't miss the K show and it's really very good. We are very happy that we are here again and then the visitors are coming back and then the contact with customers and friends is possible again. It's the first day, we'll see, but we have a lot of appointments confirmed and really look forward to have a great 8 days ahead of us.
Herr Stoger, SML, thank you for speaking with us.
Thank you for passing by. Thank you.
So as you can see, there's just halls full of equipment here, a lot to look at, a lot to experience, a lot of new technology. As you heard from him just now, government mandates are changing the industry. Even from a CEO saying government intervention is absolutely necessary to bring about the change that the industry has been speaking about for many years. Please come down to the Messe. You're going to have a good experience while you're here. We're going to keep reporting for you on your behalf about all of the current themes and future prospects for the industry. Thank you for joining us. All for now.